Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact range you want translated. This keeps updates predictable and avoids blank outputs. Once selected, put the target language code in a nearby cell so your process can reference it programmatically. Next, choose your method. Power Query with the Microsoft Translator API for robust batch processing, or an Office script/VBA macro if you prefer in workbook automation. This early choice affects setup steps, like registering an API key versus enabling macros. With Power Query, create a custom query function that sends each text value to the translator endpoint using your API key. Then invoke that function across the selected column, expanding results into a new column for translations. If you use Office Script or VBA, write a simple loop that reads each source cell, posts to the translator API, and writes the return text to the target cell, making sure to handle errors. Also implement batching or short delays to respect rate limits and improve reliability. Once translated, decide whether to overwrite the originals or keep the translations in a parallel column so you can compare context and preserve formatting. Make a quick validation pass. Check punctuation, special characters, and a few random rows for accuracy. If something goes wrong, first confirm your API key and endpoint, then verify language codes and that you haven't hit rate limits. If characters look garbled, ensure UTF-8 encoding is used. Finally, document the process so you can rerun it reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.